those areas, apply it right, apply it correctly, it will be perfect. That's what excites me.
What about the areas that you find fascinating? What are the ones that really excite you the most?
Okay, what excites me the most and is the medicine, and this is where an application. I've seen an application for breast cancer in the mammograms. So when a woman has a mammogram, there's a study, research that used artificial intelligence to go through the mammogram and to identify possible cancer spots and stuff. And in the study, it's reported that the artificial intelligence machine was more accurate than the actual physician. Now that's useful. That's useful. And again, that's simple, clever programming, because you've got the basic thing is it's data, and you've got the device looking, because I mean, we get doctors who might be fatigued at the end of the day. They've seen about 20 patients, they're tired, and they've got to go through the mammograms, and it's really, yeah, it's exhausting for them, I'm sure. But give it to a machine, it can be fastidious and detailed about what it's looking at. And that is a useful application. And again, with COVID, where you have all these tests. I mean, I'm sure developing the vaccines was probably automated, or a lot of it was automated. And another potential area which I'm excited about is agritech and smart farming, where you've got a lot of rural areas, of course, across the UK. You might not have cellular connectivity, touted. You might have the basic 2G, 3G connectivity, but which is sufficient for IoT data, because it's nominal data. But then you've got things like I can't remember what it's called now, the satellite connectivity opportunity, where you can have actually all these smart sensors across your farm and report back to the farmer. This is the best time right now. The moisture in the soil is perfect. This is the best time to plant your seeds, etc., etc. Likewise, this is the best time to harvest. This is the best time to replenish your land, and so on. And those areas, apply it right, apply it correctly, it will be perfect. That's what excites me.
Yeah. So again, just building on that. So short to medium term, do you see AI enhancing human productivity, or actually, accelerating innovation? And so, is it there to take friction out of processes and let us do more, or is it going to encourage us to build new use cases to solve problems that we can't imagine today?
I think it will do all that, but again, it has to be applied correctly. And I think, for example, the great thing is with artificial intelligence on the factory floor, with predictive diagnostics, reducing the downtime of your manufacturing and your production. Again, you've got humans working on the factory line, and again, they're fatigued, but you have an automated process or AI process to ensure that quality of that product. Okay, the downside is, you're going to learn workers, but those workers can be trained to help understand that technology and to apply that technology to make sure it is effective across that manufacturing and production process. So I think, I think it will evolve, of course, and it will improve, and it will get better.